Gorillas, the wise thinkers. In the vast and diverse animal kingdom, few creatures exhibit intelligence, emotions, and social complexity quite like the gorilla. Often referred to as gentle giants, these magnificent primates have fascinated scientists and wildlife enthusiasts for centuries. Their deep-set eyes, powerful physique, and seemingly thoughtful expressions hint at a level of intelligence that surpasses mere survival instincts. Gorillas have been known to use tools, develop close-knit familial bonds, and even communicate in ways that were once thought to be exclusive to humans. But just how intelligent are they? Could they be the closest thing we have to legendary heroes in the wild? In this comprehensive exploration, we will uncover the fascinating world of gorillas, their wisdom, emotional depth, and their extraordinary capabilities. The evolutionary significance of gorillas. Gorillas are members of the great ape family, which includes chimpanzees, bonobos, and humans. Belonging to the genus gorilla, these animals are divided into two main species, the western gorilla, gorilla, and the eastern gorilla, gorilla biringe. Further, they are classified into four subspecies: western lowland gorilla, cross-river gorilla, eastern lowland gorilla, and mountain gorilla. With a genetic makeup that is nearly 98% similar to humans, gorillas are considered our close relatives in the primate family. They are believed to have diverged from the human lineage around 10 million years ago, making them one of the most intelligent non-human primates. Their brain-to-body ratio is relatively high compared to other animals, which explains their remarkable problem-solving abilities, emotional intelligence, and complex social behaviors. Cognitive abilities. The genius of the jungle gorillas are not just strong and imposing, they are incredibly intelligent. Scientists have observed them using tools, engaging in problem-solving activities, and displaying signs of self-awareness. Some of the most remarkable cognitive abilities include: 1. Use of tools. One of the most groundbreaking discoveries in primate research was the realization that gorillas use tools. In the 2000s, researchers in the Republic of Congo observed wild gorillas using sticks to gauge water depth and makeshift bridges to cross swampy areas. This behavior was once thought to be exclusive to humans and chimpanzees. 2. Memory and learning. Gorillas possess impressive memory and learning skills. They can remember locations of food sources, recognize individuals within their troop even after years of separation, and learn from their experiences to avoid dangers. Captive gorillas, when trained, have been able to recall and apply learned tasks even after long periods. 3. Communication skills. Gorillas communicate through a combination of vocalizations, gestures, and facial expressions. Their complex system of sounds and movements helps them convey warnings, affection, and even playfulness. One of the most famous examples of gorilla intelligence is Coco, a western lowland gorilla who mastered sign language. Coco could understand and use over 1,000 signs in American Sign Language, ASL, and had a receptive understanding of over 2,000 spoken English words. She could express emotions, joke, and even lie, a behavior that indicates higher cognitive functioning. 4. Problem-solving abilities. Gorillas demonstrate an ability to think critically and solve problems. In captivity, they have been given puzzles and challenges that require logical thinking. Many successfully use creative techniques to access hidden food, demonstrating foresight and adaptability. Emotional intelligence. More than just instincts. Gorillas are deeply emotional beings. They exhibit a wide range of feelings, including love, grief, jealousy, and even a sense of justice. Their social interactions mirror those of human families, making their bonds incredibly strong. 1. Mourning the dead. One of the most astonishing behaviors observed in gorillas is their mourning rituals. When a member of their troop dies, the others often gather around, gently touching and observing the body in silence. Some have even been seen carrying the bodies of their deceased young for days, unable to let go. 2. Expressions of love and affection. Mother gorillas exhibit remarkable tenderness toward their infants. They cuddle, groom, and protect them, ensuring their well-being. Young gorillas play joyfully, much like human children, engaging in wrestling, chasing, and tickling each other. 3. Conflict resolution and fairness. Unlike the popular misconception that gorillas are aggressive creatures, they are often peace-loving and avoid unnecessary conflicts. When disputes arise, dominant silverbacks mediate, ensuring order is maintained in the troop. These instances reflect a sense of justice and leadership that is rarely observed in the animal kingdom. Gorillas in human culture and conservation efforts. Gorillas have been revered and feared in human culture for centuries. From legends about King Kong to real-life conservation efforts led by Dian Fossey, gorillas have played a significant role in both fictional and real-world narratives. 1. Threats to their survival. Despite their intelligence and resilience, gorillas face numerous threats, including habitat destruction, poaching, and diseases. Mountain gorillas, in particular, are critically endangered, with only a few thousand remaining in the wild. 2. Conservation efforts. Efforts to protect gorillas have gained traction over the years. Organizations such as the Dian Fossey Gorilla Fund and the World Wildlife Fund, WWF, have dedicated immense resources to studying and protecting gorillas and their natural habitats. Conservation programs, anti-poaching laws, and ecotourism initiatives have contributed to the slow but hopeful recovery of certain gorilla populations. Conclusion: are gorillas the legendary thinkers of the wild? The more we learn about gorillas, the clearer it becomes that they are not just ordinary animals, they are intelligent, emotional, and socially advanced beings. Their ability to use tools, solve problems, and express deep emotions sets them apart as some of the most extraordinary creatures on Earth. Gorillas challenge our perception of intelligence and consciousness in the animal kingdom. They remind us that wisdom and emotions are not solely human traits but are shared by some of our closest relatives in nature. As we continue to study and protect these incredible beings, we may unlock even more astonishing truths about their world, and, perhaps, our own place in it. Call to action: what do you think about gorillas and their intelligence? Do you believe they deserve more recognition as some of the most brilliant creatures on the planet? Share your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to World Events to stay updated on more amazing facts about the wonders of the world. Thank you for watching. Movie Camera, Africa.